In this video, we are going to find out the smallest among three entered numbers. So here for that purpose we have declared three variables A, B, C. One variable is small and one variable large. And here now first of all enter two numbers. Enter three numbers in fact, or we can say enter first number, and that is A is ss dot next int, and then enter second number, and here we have ss dot next int. So in order to find out the smaller between these two, what we need to do is we need to just have this function math.min, and we are passing this abc, and here if we print this small, you can see that the smaller between these two have come. So the smaller is 12. Now children, if we have the third number also, enter third number. Now if we want to find out the smallest, what we should do? So here we cannot pass this third parameter here, because this function only it can receive two parameters. See, the error message is no suitable method found for min int comma int comma int. This is the common mistake which children do. So it simply means within math.min we can pass only two parameters. And then how to find out? So here in that case, what we will do, simply we pass and now you see that here it is 12, 2 and 67. Wait, here the third number I have not entered. So here C is ss dot next int. Now input the third number. So suppose it is 12, 3 and 56. You see that the smallest is 3. So here I am going to explain. Let's see that. Suppose this number is 12, this number is 3 and this number is 56. Now what is happening here? Here I am passing 12 comma 3, and this function returns 3. And now here what I am passing in the next step, we are passing 56 comma 3. So finally this function is returning 3. So this is how we are finding the smallest number among these three entered number. Now suppose in the same program we want to find out the maximum, the largest among three. So here we can write math.max, and here it will change as the largest is, and just in the same variable, suppose, or in another variable, here I'm using large and here I'm using large only. Now see what happens. Here one more change is needed, which is large, and now here I am going to execute this part. So just run this before we need to rectify this. So here we just input three numbers. It is 12, 3 and 56. You can see that the largest is 56. Now the question is, now one thing is that we can combine both these statements together also. How to combine? So children, in order to find out the largest one, we can write as large is equals to math.max a comma math.max b comma c. Now see what happens. Here if it is 12, if it is 3 and if it is 56, what happens? It is 12, it is 3 and C is 56. So what will happen? So first of all, larger between these two will get calculated, so which is here 56. And now the result of this part is 56, and then further 12 comma 56, which is 56. So this is how we got the largest number among these three entered numbers. And one more thing I want to tell you that the execution always start from this part, which is the innermost function here. Execution will start from here and the result will be returned, and then further this A will get involved with that result, and finally you will get the largest. And now here in the next one, here at the same time, if we want to find out the smallest one, which is math.max a comma math.min a comma math.min, which is p comma c. This is what. So now in the similar way we got the smallest and largest. So if you print these two values, the smallest is small. Let us see that it is 12, it is 3, it is 56. Now the smallest is 3 and the largest is 56. But what was that? What was the question? The question is not just to find out the smallest and largest. The question was, we need to find out and print the numbers in ascending order. So it simply means that we need to have one more variable, and that is the middle one. So the question is how to find out the middle one. So here, in order to find out the middle one, we need to write a plus b plus c and minus this is small plus large, and finally here I am printing small, I am printing mid, plus I am printing the large one. So this is how. Suppose it is 12, it is 3 and it is 56. Now you see that the values are 3, 12 and 56. The values we have printed in ascending order on the screen. And now I would like to explain this. Children, suppose you have entered again the same example I am taking. I have entered 12, 3 and 56. And you know that these two functions, these two statements are working fine, and so here it is 3 and here it is 56. And what is the sum total here? 56 plus 3 plus 12. It is 71 in fact. 71. So children, here it is 71. 71 minus 59, because the small is 3 and large is 56. So 71 minus 59, and here you will get 12. So the middle, this is this way you can get the middle. So here, after you got the smallest, largest and middle, you just print the values in this sequence. So this is how we have printed the numbers in ascending order, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.